Oh my God. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. As you can see, we're at a gas station with a whole bunch of M cars. We're going on a POV Drive to get some coffee this morning. Got my M4 parked up, looking good with the new taillights, just loving the look. We got Sasha's M8, close to 1,000 horsepower in this car. If you haven't seen the video, go ahead and check it out right now. We got an E92 M3, an E90 M3 with some beautiful BBSs on it, and performance seats on these E92 M3. Gotta love the Alpine white. This is actually a purple G80 M3. 6-speed manual. You can see it's got the white bucket seats on the interior. So now it is actually lower, so it's got more of a proper fitment. And as we come up front, it looks like it has a different grille as well, which makes the front end look way more aggressive. Oh my God. Woo. So as you can see, we are on the road and these M cars look beautiful in front of me. Downshifts. Oh my God, that deep sound from that inline 6 twin turbo, it's so raspy. So before we continue on with today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, which is Gentle Band. Gentle Bands is a man's band brand that harvests rare materials and turns them into jewelry. They have a vast assortment of naturally harvested materials like meteorite, dinosaur fossil, whiskey barrel, and more. As you can see, it comes in really cool packaging and they offer free engraving services as well. And when you open this thing up, immediately you're greeted with a certificate of craftsmanship, which includes a signature of who it was crafted by, on what date, and under that you have the ring itself, which is beautifully forged. I chose the tungsten band because this one goes really well with my Tag Heuer watch. So if you guys are interested, make sure you click those links in the description. Use the code BEAMER for 25% off your order. And with less being said, let's get back on the road and get on with today's POV Drop. Looks like we came across another F80 M3. Nice spec. Actually, two of them. The orange one and the gray one. Damn, that F80 looks sick. This M8 just sounds amazing. Oh my God, I just love this car. It does not get old. Oh wait, the downshifts? Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this Austin yellow M4. Shout out to Daniel. The thing is beautiful. As you can see, we're literally in GTA right now, right off Santa Monica PCH. Oh my god. Oh my god, they are bugging out here. Oh my god. Oh wow, check out the GT3 in orange. Really nice. Man, check out the M4 with the surfboards in the back. This is how you daily use your M4, man. This is what I'm talking about. This is what M cars are made for. You get the performance aspect, but you can use them every day. Look at this, got the ocean all right here. Mountains, M4, exhaust. Oh, I love this day. Wow. STO Huracan, check that out. Now that is cool. This car right here, that is just sick. Oh my god. Oh, Ford GT. That's how you know we're in Malibu. Oh my god. Another Lambo parked at someone's house. Oh, nice M4 parked at someone else as well. Damn. GT3 RS. So we pulled off on the side of the road to wait for the rest of the squad. We seem to have gotten separated, so let's see how long it takes for them to pull up and rip by. Woo, woo, woo. Wasn't that long. So as you can see, we got the M4 parked up. Man, the ocean is right there. We got all these BMWs lined up. But man, just look at the scenery with these mountains. Look at that big rock on top of this mountain right here. It's just beautiful. So we're stepping away from the cars real quick. And we're gonna check out the ocean hitting the sand. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and grab some coffee and finish up with today's video. Us a new road thanks to Sasha. Whoa. And so far I like. Wow. Basically taking this road to get some coffee. Wow. You know, it really amazes me how responsive this car is. Wow. Wow. Oh, we're almost out of gas. I just realized the light came on. Oh man, we gotta cool it out. So we just refilled the M4 and now we got some caffeine to refill the body. So we're gonna check out Rodeo Drive, just walk a little bit and see what kind of cars we can come across at this location. The GT3. That is sick. First things first, look at this old school 911 and kind of like a mocha chocolate color with gold badging. Check out the i8 Roadster in orange. So if you guys are wondering what coffee I usually get like a double shot of an espresso. with a little bit of sugar in it. It's not gonna taste the best compared to a lot of other drinks, but it gets you going, gets you up, and re-energized. Ooh, Ferrari Roma, all white.
You use it like 120, right?
Man, check out this GT3. Looks like a Touring without the wing. F8 Tributo Ferrari. 458 replacement. Super clean and white. On top of that, we have a yellow Huracan Coupe with the wing on the back. It's really good. White Urus. All white and black. Also has white Forgiatos on it as well. Old school Rolls Royce. That is a vibe. Wow, 600 L2 Spider. Wow, look what's going on here. A whole bunch of security guards. Some kind of protest. You never know what's going down on this road. Obviously you have all the cars, but just craziness going on at all times it seems like. So let's keep walking around and let's focus more on the cars. Nice red Urus as well. Here goes another old school Rolls, really clean, and then followed by that a blue Aston Martin SUV, sick. And then behind that we have a yellow Huracan with that wing again. Man, Jesus, you have a V12 Murcielago, and right there you have an 812 Ferrari Superfast. Jesus, which one are you taking out of these two? Both V12 naturally aspirated, sick cars. I'm probably gonna have to go for the Lamborghini Murcielago. Well, that's always been one of my dream cars ever since I was little. I must say I'm not a big Range Rover guy, but I love the look of these new Range Rovers right here, especially the tail lights. Kind of looks very futuristic. Shout out to the F80 owners out there. This one's in Sac Hero Orange. Got a nice aggressive diffuser with M Performance exhaust. The right mods. Looks like it might be lowered a little bit. Man, this is a bit of me. A blue GT3 991, well spec'd, blue, yellow brake calipers. And I heard them pull up and it seemed like it had some kind of aftermarket exhaust, so really like the spec on this one. Nice M coupe. Man, another F8. This one's a coupe. Actually, it's a drop top as well. Also got to respect the old school Corvettes. You don't see these often. It seems to be Urus day. This is probably like the 6th or 7th Urus we've seen down here in the last 20 minutes. Kind of like acid green Huracan Spider, pretty cool. Gotta say I like the color on this one. Well spec F90 subtle. And I gotta say we've seen some pretty unique cars so far. We're gonna do one more circle around the block, and then we're gonna take a couple laps inside the M4, see if we come across anything else. And another F8, the third one. This one's different than the other white one we just saw a second ago. If I'm not mistaken, the other one had black interior, but this one has red, and it's lady driven as well. So, man, the F8s are showing out today. Finally, we got some Beemer Fam, a G80 M3 Comp, an M4 G82, and an M6 Grand Coupe behind that. Nice setup. Man, which one you guys taking? That's tough. I'm probably gonna have to take the G82. Obviously, we have a black M6 Grand Coupe back in Michigan. That's a nice lineup. Man, check out this Rolls Wraith, all blacked out, murder spec like we like. Even black interior on this. Fellow Michigan plate as well, but this is just sick. Nice G82, Sao Paulo yellow. There goes the Corvette as well. There goes that Ferrari again. There goes a new SL 63 AMG. I gotta say, I really like how those look. Here we are reunited with the M4, and it's looking insane, man. These new tail lights, man, I'm just loving them. Look at that. There goes a dune buggy straight out of GTA. And then right behind that is like a gold, some kind of goldish brown SVJ Lamborghini Aventador. Oh my god. It's a nice RS6 as well. Check out the Maserati, I believe it's the MC20, the new one in red. Man, check that out. Sick MA competition, Grand Coupe. Nice. Lowrider. That's pretty cool. So that'll just about do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. And I'll see you guys in the next video.